Hi, welcome back to the VK Online Education Training course. The theme of this lesson is monitoring events. Let's continue the application of the previous lesson. Let's try another way of if monitoring. Let's go back to the monitoring event we created earlier. Then, we enter the feedback editor. Here, we clear it first. We choose another option for this. We select fixed string length. In this way of return message capturing, VK will not consider the format of the text. It would just extract these strings from two positions you defined. Previously, we tried string. This time, we use number as our example. Click OK. I'll type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Press OK. I can choose from which position VK will catch the numbers. For example, I take third to fourth digit. The next thing to set is how the return message will trigger the action. Previously, we are using string type, so there will be equal to, not equal to, include, and exclude. However, if it's a number, you'll need to use logic operation judgment like this. For example, we use greater than symbol. As long as the captured value is greater than 50, it will trigger the action you selected. We press OK to proceed. Next, we use the same action for this monitoring event, and upload it to the VK controller. After everything is complete, we upload this profile to the control host and see the actual operation. Next, we open the Windows viewer and also start the server software. Then, let's test it and see. If I type 60 here on the third and fourth position, VK doesn't care what is the format of the text we send. It will check the third and fourth digit. As long as the number is greater than 50, it will treat the monitoring condition as correct and trigger the action. As you can see, the label is changed to OK. This is all the content of this unit. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.